Well, Mrs. Z just left for work. Her car was nice and clean, cleaner than mine. But as you can see, it's always good to get winter in here now. Whew, man. And as always, the shovel wins. My car's running, letting it warm up a bit. Well, you'll see that works for two purposes there. Come with my trash cans out, my trash and recycling bins out every Monday, but also when the plow comes by, it dumps a little more from he's dragging it down the whole street. So it drops a little more in there before it hits the main part of the driveway. And wah, 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 wah. That goes all the way around the house to the oil tank. Oh man, I am going to check out Lake Denison today. I don't know if snowmobiles are allowed yet. We got a decent amount, that's for sure. So, and it was wet and heavy, so not quite sure if they're allowed in yet. And today's Wednesday, so I don't know who will be out. I'm not in work again. I didn't go yesterday or today. I have no clients, so I could go in, like I said in the previous video, and sit for 4 hours, but that ain't me. So take another vacation day. Woo!